Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Jayria. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, turn your post notifications on, leave a like on this video and all that good stuff. So in this video, I will be doing some fruits shopping plus organizing. So stay tuned, continue watching, and let's do some shopping and organizing. Welcome back, guys. So now I'm in Sam's Club, and this is where I normally go to get my fruits, as their fruits are always looking fresh and always sweet. So this is where I come to get my fruits, and when I'm buying my fruits, I have to pick, choose and refuse because I'm aiming to get the best to take home. So now I'm actually in Walmart looking to get some ripe bananas because the one that they have in Sam's Club, they weren't looking fresh and they weren't looking nice at all. So I'm looking my ripe bananas, and also they didn't have any strawberries in Sam's Club, so I'm looking some strawberries here in Walmart as well. I might grab a few more items then go home. So yes guys, I'm back home and now it's time to organize, clean these items and pack away. Today was supposed to be my fruits shopping day. However, I grabbed a few more items, so I'm about to clean up these items, organize and pack them away. So yes guys, as you can see, I'm washing my grapes, and I'm not gonna lie, this is a recent habit that I developed. So now I wash my fruits before putting them in the fridge. I wash my strawberries and my grapes especially before putting them in the fridge. So y'all just comment and let me know when you wash your fruits, if you wash them before putting them in your fridge or you wash them whenever you are ready to eat. So I'm finally done packing away my fruits and the other items that I bought. So now I'm just cleaning my table, and as you all know, I love cooking. I'm a chef, so I'm about to do some cooking now. I'm going to cook some yam dumpling, banana with saltfish and baked beans. So continue watching guys, and let's cook some food.